Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. This is Aditya Prajapati and how to practice English. How to practice English I am going to tell you in this video. If you come from village areas, if you come from Hindi medium background, then you definitely have to watch this video till the end. Guys, support me. If you are watching any other videos like any girl is dancing, any boy is dancing, anyone, if you are watching fun videos, you are just liking and supporting them, you are just subscribing those channels, but I'm just trying to teach you English, I'm just trying to educate you. So why can't you subscribe this channel, why can't you like this video? So you must subscribe these kinds of education channel. So guys, subscribe this channel and learn. And this video is about how to practice English in front of anyone. How to practice. There are two ways which you can use for practice. For practice purpose, you can practice at your home, you can practice outside, you can practice in front of your friends, you can practice, but I'm just saying you have to practice rather getting afraid. Despite having many kinds of challenges, you will be motivated once you are feeling good, once many guys are supporting you, once some of the guys are supporting you, you will get motivation, you will be motivated by those supportives. I know there will be where there is a negativity, so you will also find positive things there. So you just need to see the light in the darkness. Just try to practice. Why am I saying this? Guys, you want to learn a language, you want to practice English, you want to speak confidently, you want to be perfect, you want to be fluent. That is why I'm saying you have to speak, you have to practice, you have to give your 100%. Only this single step can make you fluent, and without practicing you cannot speak English language. It will take a lot of time, it will take many months, it will take many months if you are not practicing, if you are not giving enough time. You have to, you have to practice. I'm not saying you have to come in the market, I'm not saying you have to come in the crowded places. I'm just saying you have to practice wherever you want to practice. You can go at alone place, you can go at alone place and practice there. There should not be anyone. If you are just afraid of speaking in front of the public, just go at alone area and practice. This is how you will be able to be perfect. This is how you will be able to learn this language. So don't be afraid. I used to afraid of speaking publicly, but now I am not afraid. I'm not afraid to speak English anymore, because I have been learning this language for 2 years. I have been practicing every day. Every single day I'm making video in a different topic. Every single day. So it is making me fluent. It is making me perfect. I know there is no one who is perfect, but I am just learning every day. How am I learning? I am practicing every day. So that is why I'm saying just go outside and practice English. No one can stop you. No one. You are just thinking that you are on the spotlight. What do I mean by it? I'm saying you are just thinking like everyone is looking at you. No, this is nothing like that. Everyone, you are just thinking everyone is thinking about you. This is the human mentality. Everyone thinks like जब हम कहीं जा रहे हैं, whenever we are going somewhere, whenever we are doing something different, everyone will look at me and they are just thinking about us. It is not like that. It is not like that. We are just thinking only in our mind, but people people are not like that. You can do everything. Just think in your mind that I can do everything. No one can stop me learning this language. So have a good day. We will meet in another video. Bye bye.